Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the TrustIsYou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I'm going to be doing a new presentation on September 12th at 4 p.m. East Coast time. So between now and then, I'm going to talk about different clients who have saved so much money. So this is going to go for both business and also for the business and the beneficial trust. Now, the Spendthrift Trust is legal, patented in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo. It has been around since King Henry VIII started the Church of England, way back when he got in trouble for chopping off his wives' heads. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England. They went even further back into history to the Magna Carta. It came over from England to the United States while we were still a colony as contract law. The law firm I work on behalf of has inherited a trust that will turn 350 years old in 2023. So this is as legal can be. If your financial advisor or your CPA or anyone else is telling you I'm lying, the textbook that trust attorneys study in law school is called Scott and Asher on Trusts, 5th edition. It is a textbook. I do have 2 pages of case law I can email to you if you need this. So today's person we're going to talk about is a really cute story. This happened back in December. A 28-year-old son saw one of my TikTok videos. I've been on TikTok for just about a year now. I have over 15,000 followers. I'm very happy about my TikTok. I get more clients from TikTok than any place else. I do 6 videos. For the business trust for 1099 income earners, you'll save 70% on your federal taxes year after year. Beneficial trust, you will no longer pay capital gains, short-term or long-term, interest income, dividend income, rental income, royalty income, and then you're also going to keep your information 100% private. Your LLC or S Corp does not do this, and you will not pay any judgments if you get sued. So back in December, the 28-year-old son saw one of my TikTok videos. I do 6 a day on TikTok and other social media sites. He contacted me and he goes, "Can this help my family?" I said, "Hey, here's my Zoom link." Another child, there's 3 children, grown children. Another child got the father, Jim, on Zoom. First time ever on Zoom. He has a 42-year-old restaurant in Paducah, Kentucky. They were planning to sell, and then they want to move to Florida because the 3rd child lives in Florida and has 4 children. They want to buy a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo near their daughter in Florida. So I talked to Jim. His wife was in the background. She knew what was going on. And I said, I have to talk to your business broker because we have to change the letter of intent. So a few more weeks went by. I got on a Zoom with his business broker. He's never heard of the Spendthrift Trust before. I said, here's some documentation. I sent him all sorts of information. And the neat thing about this is the gentleman who bought the family restaurant, this was going to be his 7th restaurant that he was buying in the Kentucky, Ohio area. He had never heard of the Spendthrift Trust. So the business broker sold him the beneficial Spendthrift Trust. That's a whole nother presentation we're going to do in just a second or another day. Now with this, they are going to sell the restaurant as is, everything in it, all the food, the cutlery, the recipes, the everything. He was just walking away with $3 million in his pocket. 42-year-old restaurant that has quite a bit of information happening there. Now, I had to explain I am not the CPA, but with long-term capital gains more than a year, you're going to take what you paid for to start it to what you sell it for, and that in between is going to be taxed any profits at 15% or 20% to the federal government the next year. So April 15th, 2024. So at 15%, we are going to save them $460,000. At 20%, we are going to save them $600,000 in capital gains. That's life-changing. He's 69, his wife is 67, and the 2 of them are going to change everything. Well, so this was closing March 30th. A true story, he started the trust in March. He didn't pay for the trust until April 1st. Then sent the gentleman who bought the restaurant, got his business trust around April 8th, and I sent the business broker $600 for a referral fee. Well, on March 30th, when they're going to the closing table, I wish them well, everything else. I do give, just so you know, I do give donate to St. Mary's Food Bank in my mom's name. She grew up very rural Ireland, food insecure. So every time I sell a trust, I do give a donation to St. Mary's Food Bank in Phoenix, Arizona, in her name. Well, the day's going on. I get a phone call on my cell phone from Kentucky. I don't know who it is. I answer the phone and it's a woman crying. And I'm like, are you okay? Are you okay? It's his wife, Mary Ann. She's crying happy tears. She knew they were starting the trust. She knew they were going to save quite a bit of money, but never knew how much it was. She kept telling me she's going to be on, she wants to contact somebody called Dave who does my lottery dream home. I'd never heard of the show before. So I now watch it sometimes on Friday night just to see about this, because they want Dave to help them find a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Florida near their daughter between $460,000 to $600,000, because this is what they're going to save on selling the family restaurant. I have a wonderful job. That's all I'm going to say, helping people save federal taxes. The gentleman who bought the restaurant, it's his 7th restaurant. He didn't know he could save so much in 1099 income. If I can help you save federal taxes, keep your information private, your LLC does not do that, and keep you from paying any judgments if you get sued, please reach out to me. My name is Sally Gimmon. My website is thetrustisyou.com. And my podcast is Stop Paying Capital Gains. I am doing a new speech on September 12th at 4 p.m. East Coast time. You can sign up for that at thetrustisyou.com/save. Thank you for watching my video today. If I can help you save money too, it's a beautiful thing. Take care. Have a wonderful Thursday. Bye-bye.